How does Paychex Flex work? First, sign up and choose your plan. So go to paychex.com, check availability in your country, and select the Paychex Flex plan on your business size and needs. And then log into your Paychex Flex platform. Use the web portal or mobile access to access a one unified dashboard for payroll, HR, time and attendance benefits, and 401k management. Add employees and set up payroll. Enter employee details, pay rates, taxes, and benefits. Paychex Flex supports hourly, salaried, and contract workers on any part schedule. Track time and attendance. Use built-in time clocks to record clock ins and out times. The system automatically calculates hours for payroll. Then run payroll automatically. Review payroll with built-in error checks. Then submit. Paychecks calculates files and pays payroll taxes for you, staying compliant with federal, state, and local rules. Pay employees and manage benefits. Employees get paid via direct deposit, pay card, or proper check. You can also manage health benefits, open enrollment, and 401k from the same platform. Then integrate and report. Connect Paychex Flex with QuickBooks, Xrow, Bamboo HR, Indeed, and more. Generate HR, payroll, and general ledger reports for accounting and compliance, and get support anytime. If this video helps you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.